My name is Auntie Marlene from Leer Afrikaans 123. Today we're going to do a story. Rooster does a mean thing. Make sure you put that poster up where everyone will see it. Called the Three Chicken Sisters. Where can I hang the poster? The apple tree will do. Rooster hung the poster up on the apple tree. Then he read it. Party tonight in the barn. All welcome. Oh no! All welcome? That means all the dirty, untidy animals will be there, thought Rooster. I like things to be tidy and clean. They'll spoil it. Then he did a mean thing. He crossed out all welcome and wrote by invitation only. All of the animals gathered round to read the poster. By invitation only? Pig was puzzled. I'm sure we all be invited, said Duck. Yes, we're all friends here, said Goat. No one would have a party without inviting all the animals, said Cow. I'd better have a nap before the dancing starts, said Dog, scratching behind his ear. All the animals went their own way to get ready for the party. But Rooster got something else in mind. Pig tried on a new ribbon. How do I look? She called to Rooster. It's for the party. She twirled around the pig pen to show him her lovely ribbon. Oh, I'm sorry, but you're not invited, said Rooster. I'm afraid that you're just too muddy. This is a party for clean, tidy animals. Pig sank down in the mud. Slop. Then Rooster strutted off. Mrs. Duck is trying on her new hat and bow. How do I look? She called to Rooster. It's for the party. She swam in a circle that Rooster can have a good look at a new hat and bow. Oh, I'm sorry, but you're not invited, said Rooster. You are just too wet and drippy. This is a party for clean, tidy animals. Mrs. Duck sank down in the water. Splug! Her new hat floating on the water. And Rooster strutted off again. He thought he was doing a fine job. It will be a very tidy party, he thought. Tidy and clean. Goat was trying on his new scarf. He had nibbled a bit of it away. He wrapped it round his neck to show how long it was. I suppose that's for the party, said Rooster. Yes, giggled Goat. Do you like it? Very nice, said Rooster. But I'm afraid you're not invited. You're just too scruffy, said Rooster, and you would nibble everyone's clothes. It's a party for clean, tidy animals. Poor Goat. His head drooped down, slump. And Rooster strutted off. Cow had a new set of teeth. I got these just in time for the party, she called to Rooster with a big toothy smile. Now Rooster thought Cow was the untidiest animal of all. He didn't like her dribbly mouth and her long swishy tail. He didn't like her big clumsy feet. He thought she needed a haircut. I'm sorry, you haven't been invited, he said, not feeling sorry at all. You're just too big and slippery. It's a party for clean, tidy animals. Cow was too upset to say anything. She slammed the shed door and went away crying. Dog was dozing by the farmhouse door. He opened one lazy eye as Rooster walked past. Going to the party? Dog asked. Yes, I am, said Rooster, peeking out from behind a pot plant. But I'm afraid you're not invited. You would just fall asleep or scratch your fleece all the time. It's a party for clean, tidy animals. Dog showed his white teeth and snarled at Rooster. Rooster ran away as fast as he could. A party without Rooster. Are you going to the party? The animals asked each other. Rooster says I'm too muddy, said Pig, brushing her ribbon. He said I'm too wet and drippy, said Mrs. Duck, wringing out her hat. He says I'm too scruffy and I'd nibble everyone's clothes, said Goat, munching a tin that he found near the bin. He says I'm too big and slippery, said Cow, washing her new teeth in a bucket, tears still streaming down her cheeks. We can have our own party, said Dog, without Rooster and those snooty chicken sisters. Very good idea, agreed the others. So they put their heads together and planned their own party. Rooster gets more than he expected. The chicken sisters were busy getting the barn ready. They hung decorations and swept the floor. They put out hay bales to sit on and blew up balloons. Why hasn't anyone asked about the party? Wondered Mandy. Perhaps they're just too busy getting all dressed up, said Ruth, smiling happily. Let's go and see, said Lisa. The three chicken sisters walked out the barn and got a big surprise when they saw the poster. When they found out what Rooster had done, they were furious. "It's time to teach Rooster a lesson," said the chicken sisters. All the animals agreed to help. Rooster spent all afternoon getting ready. He had a bubble bath. He combed his feathers. He polished his beak. He clipped his claws and he brushed his best bow tie. "You are splendid," he said to himself. But the other animals were waiting for him in the barn. Pig gave him a bucket of mud. Splat! Duck hosed him down. Squirt! Goat chewed on his bow tie. Rip! Cow kicked up some straw. It stuck. Dog dug up the dust. Cough! Splutter! And the chicken sisters gave him some old eggs. Phew! Rooster was all alone and he looked terrible. He was the dirtiest, untidiest animal of all, and he was miserable. In Cow's shed, the other animals got on with their party. They were having a lovely time. After a while, Rooster came in. A big tear rolled off his beak. "I've been a foolish, unfriendly rooster," he said, "and I'm very sorry." "You can join our party if you like," said Pig. "Yes, please," said Rooster. "If I'm not too dirty and messy." "You're fine just as you are," said the others. So they danced all night. Pig was muddy. Mrs. Duck was wet. Goat was scruffy and ate Duck's hat. Cow was clumsy and her tail swished everywhere. Dog stopped to scratch his fleas now and then, but no one minded. They all enjoyed themselves. Each animal was different and they were all good friends. And Rooster made sure that everyone was up early the next morning to tidy things up. For reading and workbooks for Grade R to Grade 3, visit our website www.leerafrikaans123.co.za. If you haven't subscribed or like yet, please do. Thank you and goodbye till next time.